Alright, this video is going to teach you about area of the circle. Let me define area first. It is the space that a 2D object takes up. So, like a rug on the floor, for example. Okay? The area of a circle, whoops, I need my pen. Area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Again, the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside. That should be in your previous notes. Now, let's try this in actual samples, shall we? Here I have two circles. The first one, I'm going to give you this distance, and I want you to try and solve it because it really is a simple type of thing. Go ahead and try that. Okay, area is equal to pi r squared. R is what was given to you here, so you just put this into your calculator. Pi times 18 squared. You have to do the 18 squared first. Don't forget your order of operations. Let's just put it all in your calculator, which will do it for you correctly in the right order. This is 1017, and the units are going to be inches squared because when I do this part here, r times r, I'm doing inches times inches. I end up with inches squared. I want you to try this circle next. 32 millimeters. Alright, the area is equal to pi r squared, but r is not given to me. D was, so I got to cut it in half. Do 16 squared. Then when I multiply it out, I get 803 millimeters squared. Now, this isn't very challenging, okay? I want to do something that's a little more interesting, because you know me, interesting is fun. So let's try this. You should pause the video and try and solve this one. If you can do this, you really got not only this down, but the previous lesson as well. So go ahead and pause it and try it. Okay, the circumference of a circle is 25 centimeters. Now, we're not dealing with circumference, but we've already done it. What is the approximate area of the circle? Well, remember for circumference, you could use pi times diameter, or you could use circumference is equal to 2 pi r. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first formula right here, and I'm going to solve for the diameter. So circumference, which was given to us, is 25 centimeters is equal to pi times the diameter. So if I divide both sides by pi, and again, I'm going to use 3.14 when I do pi, the diameter then of the circle is about 7.96. I'd have to cut that in half to use it in the area formula, but then the area is pi times the radius squared. So pi, the radius, half of that is 3.98 squared. Half of that meaning this here, the diameter. And this is going to be equal to 49.7 centimeters squared is the approximate area. If you got that one, you are doing fantastic. Bye-bye.